What's up? Are we live? Is there anyone out there? How's it going, Patrick? How you doing? We'll wait for a couple people to come in here. A little earlier stream today. I got a lot of stuff I got to get done today. So I figured I'd jump on real quick. Enjoying your render bags. Is render moving? Yeah, you see XRP here? XRP's trying to move, but it's still... I saw some YouTubers screaming XRP to the moon. Not quite. We got to get this monthly candle over this 236, and we still got to break out from the pattern here. Nice little pump, though. Render. Yeah, render broke out. I believe we looked at this last night, though. Still stuck right at that 0.5. It's a little bit above it at the moment, but you can see the idea. It broke out, but it's getting stuck right at that level. But if you can hold and maintain, next stop up is $8. $8 on render. But yeah, it looks good breaking out of that downtrend. Looks very good. We were looking at what? Elon, I looked at Elon a while ago. Elon was flying last night, but it looks like everything's starting to get stuck now. Nice little move, so hopefully you guys took a little bit of profit. But the fact that they're breaking out render, Pepe, that's a very good step in the right direction. But Elon here, look at Elon. Elon got stuck right at the back testing the trend here. I think I said that last night, just be careful. It's going to turn into a giant wick and the candle's going to get stuck right here at it. That's exactly what happened. So Elon has yet to break out. What's up, Samuel? How are you doing? Good morning, brother. Oh, he's at the gym right now. Let's make some money. Yep. I haven't been to the gym in forever. Hell, I've never been to the gym. Only in school. High school and college. But I am starting to walk now. Gotta make some money this year and get in shape this year. We got 11 people in here. Just kind of waiting for some more people to come in. So what do you guys think? You think we're about to pull back as we said last night? Everything's kind of quiet now. Everyone was screaming bullish yesterday. I guess everyone's at work right now, but still. Nice little pump up. Yeah, Luna Classic made a slightly higher high on that candle. Time to pull back. It's going to come back down, make a higher low, higher high, and until we decide to go up. Shiba got stuck. Out in the middle of nowhere, it looks like. Let's see. No, Shiba hit right into the 618. Damn. All right, so not in the middle of nowhere. Smacked head first into the 618 at 2.6. So it does not confirm. This downtrend would be confirmed that the price is going to go up over 2.6 here, but it smacked right into it. They slammed the door on Shiba and said, nope, you're not going anywhere. What's up, Fireman? Isaac, how's it going? Fake Move Monday. That's a good one. Fake Move Monday. Hamid, Skid isn't moving. You talking about Success Kid, Skid? I wouldn't expect it to. It's not ready yet. We just looked at it last night. The chart looks very well. Very good chart for Skid. It's going to go up at some point. It's just not its time yet. If I could buy in on Skid, I would. In your opinion, which one will break out first? Well, Math, or SUKU? You said last night you would throw 10 G's in the Suzuki, so I'm assuming that one would run first. Nah, I don't have a crystal ball to tell you that. I have no idea which one's going to run first. I was just trying to make the point that someone called SUKU a scam. It's not a scam. It's just down in the dirt. It's in that very good area to buy in. It is going to run. It's going to run this cycle, but it's not doing anything right now. That was my whole point. If we just zoom out and look at the chart, it's laying flat, dead. It's doing nothing. Below the 236. If I had $100,000, I would put 10K on 10 different coins. Put 10 on SUKU here because it is going to run. It's going to come up here and hit a 786 retracement. But that's how confident I am in the price movement, is what I'm trying to say. It's down here. It's accumulating. Looks very good. And then a 9.5x on your SUKU investment. Hell, if it only comes up to the 618 retracement, almost a 5x. I'll take a 5x on 10K or 5K or whatever it is. But as for the fact that which one's going to move first, let's see here. SUKU still dead here. Math. Well already moved. But Well is in a very bullish continuation pattern, so Well could be the first one to go. Math is still holding up over our 382 support level. It already moved. It already pulled back and hit support, so anyone's guess. It could bounce off of this level and start moving. SUKU could wake up, and then of course Well's sitting in that very bullish pattern. Still holding up bullish, I would imagine. Yeah, it's at 7.4. As long as you're above 6.4, you can see the pattern I'm talking about here. It's making yet another higher low. If it holds up, then as soon as the price gets squeezed here, it's going to get squeezed out of here. Maybe another week. But yeah, to answer that, I don't have a crystal ball to tell you what's going to go first. Built a small position in SUKU and shipping. Not bad. The scam pump is real. 10K and 10 coins. Damn. Yeah, that would be the dream, but I'd be lucky to have 20 bucks and 10 coins. I didn't mean I had 10K and 10 coins. I have nothing and no coins. I'm completely out, my man. What's up, Jerry? Litecoin to the moon. Is Litecoin doing anything? Litecoin to the moon. He says arrow. Now, Mr. Long's going to come in here asking for Well, now that we just looked at it for a second. Yeah. Have you seen the new arrow updates we've been doing? We're just focusing on the macro for arrow. High to the low. It's over the 618. Didn't get perfectly stuck at the 786, but it's pulling back, but it broke the pattern here. It's probably going to come back down and back test. But Arrow's looking not too bad now. Once you get over 163, it's going to start moving again. But how high is Arrow going to go? Well, they say anywhere from $20 to $40. Our old target was right here, about $8.80, but this is $7.18. So it's either going to go to $7, $8, and do about a 4 to 5x, or it is going to go to that $20 range, which I would say maybe 16x up to 23. Moonshot would be the 227 billion here for about a 30x to 42. But I've seen people call anywhere from $8 to $10 to $20, and then the Moon Boys call for $40. I don't know. I could see it shooting all the way up here. 15 billion market cap on Arrow, which I don't even know the market cap right now on Arrow. Don't they mine Arrow? Oh, the music's not too loud, is it? Or too annoying? I went with a different music today, which I need to put this on the big screen. There we go. What's up, Het? Good morning. Chainlink says Demetrius. Ahmed said I sold yesterday before the pump. Does it come back towards under the 1 cent? Why'd you sell before the pump, my man? I told you guys not to sell. There was FUD going around about migration bullcrap. It means nothing. All right, it's almost at $1 billion market cap. We're still looking at Arrow. So yeah, Arrow's gonna hit this. $20 to $23 on Arrow. Check back with me after the bull run. If it goes higher, so be it. But yeah, definitely a 15 billion market cap. So yeah, Arrow's going to 23 bucks. Almost a 16x. Which not completely accurate. But if it pulls back down, of course that will change. Back down to 120, then it's 20x. Almost. I called it, didn't I? We just looked at Well for a moment. I was like, Mr. Long's going to come in here and ask for Well. And here he is. Well to the moon. Took profit, but still holding. Okay. As long as you took profit. But we were covering it constantly, pretty much, of saying it was about to pump out of that pattern, which we're doing on a lot of things, and a lot of things are pumping out of the pattern. Arrow's one here. Someone said Chainlink to the moon. I think links on our other chart here. Caspa go to $5. Damn, if it would have just let me open up that 25x long on Next C. That would have been so nice on Caspa. Can anyone hear me? I think we're back. So unlucky. So unfortunate. 19 people back. We had so many people up in here, and now the internet dropped. Let me get this going back up. Check 1, 2. Can you guys hear me? Let's see if we get this screen to work. Working fine all day, and now that we get on a live stream, it has to go down just because. All right, can you guys see now? Yeah, I think you can. All right, we're back. Music's okay, not too loud. Yeah, I missed what you guys were saying. I don't know what the last thing you guys heard because it went down again. Well, yeah, we'll look at well again. I was on my way to Chainlink, I believe. Where's our link chart? Yeah, XRP's trying to break out here, but it's still getting stuck. So all the people screaming to the moon. It's going to $5 today, this week. It's not happening. Link's getting stuck like everything else. Broke out of our bullish pattern for whoever asked for Link here. And stuck at a 0.5, I would say. Oh no, 618. Damn, I almost got it. Above the 0.5, another one stuck at the 618 here. So even though things are breaking out of the patterns and pumping, they are hitting resistance at the 618. So yeah, here's another one. So you have to get over this 15.5 to confirm the breakout. So it's not confirmed. You're holding support at 1370. You're at 14 at the moment. So if you fall back down, you could very well come back and back test this level here, the 382 and the top of the pattern here, and still drop right back down 12-13%. So until you break over the 618, no confirmation here. But yeah, he had another one smacking right into that 618. They don't have a code to get through. Damn. And then Chainlink to the moon here. Chainlink to the new high at 105 is going to give you a 7.5x to a 63 billion market cap. But that's what we have on Chainlink. But Chainlink woke up even though it's getting stuck. Chainlink to the moon. What's up, Jamie? Let's go well on my chart. The pattern should end Friday, if not Saturday on the latest. Yeah, well, yeah, we're going to go look at well. Well, XRP is ripping, says Matthew. Yeah, I guess if you're looking on the 1 hour time frame. XRP is still getting stuck. DGen is up 200%. Nice. Yeah, I don't know why people were flooded out of DGen and it still went up. Alright, that's hilarious. OG Jerry said you had no money in the market. Well, not no more. I sent you some PNG. Keep it, save it when you know to make some money in the market. Oh, you did, really? Appreciate that if you did. Let me check. Yeah, if you guys send me any crypto to my crypto wallets, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hodl it for the bull run. DGen. What's up, Metal? How's it going? Metal Detecting's in the house. Dogecoin's going to $2, my man. We need to go look again at well. People coming in late, as always. Oh, we're on this chart though, but Chainlink. Yeah, see, Pepe did the same thing. It broke out, but it got stuck. Elon, we went over this at the very beginning of the stream. Elon had a nice pump, but got stuck right at the trend here. Large wick and stuck right there perfectly. Pretty sure I said that was going to happen last night, so yeah, Shiba got stuck. But yeah, H-bar is up. Yeah, it's up, but still, it needs to get... I've been watching XRP, whoever said XRP. It's still in this very large bullish pattern here. It looks like it has a little bit of time left in it. Maybe next spring it breaks out officially. But you have to get over what you're now, but this could very well turn into a wick. These are monthly candles. All of these other monthly candles besides back here have been getting stuck right at the 236 here. So this still has plenty of time to turn into a wick and not go anywhere yet and pull back down inside this pattern here. So until you establish over this with a close, I can't be bullish on it unless it spikes up and we're over the pattern and we start moving. Because I could adjust it a little bit, but not a lot. You can see it takes away the touches of it if we pull it all the way up here, but we're leaving it right here. I like this here. And then 280 billion market cap, $5 is the target on XRP. XRP is going to 7.5x from where it is right now. Back over to Well for Ryan. I almost typed in Ryan. Ryan to the moon. Moonwell. Yeah, monthly it looks good. Weekly it looks good. Yeah, it doesn't look bad here. This is what we went over earlier. Well, had the move, got stuck at the 618 on the macro. It is now holding inside this pattern. As long as it holds up over 6.4, you're at 7.4. Can't really be bearish on it. You said it needs to move, but it's just getting accumulated right now. Depending on where you want to draw this at, we could even tighten it up here. See that? But we'll see. It could break out at any moment if it wants to, but it's holding up very well. Well is looking well. Degen. Extreme Greed, 86 right now. History Flows, how's it going? Can you watch PNG, please? Matthew says Arrow. Yeah, we're going over the same tokens all the time, constantly. Yeah, we'll go look at PNG. My man said he sent me some PNG. Let me go see. PNG, you see AOS is breaking out. PNG is going to follow right behind it. So maybe you sent me some PNG just in time for the breakout. Wouldn't that be nice? PNG. Yeah, PNG is not doing anything, but it's still holding up. Let me get that off the chart. We've been saying the same thing forever on PNG. As long as you're over 2.1, you're holding here. You've been holding for months now on these weekly candles. Looks very good in this accumulation. Very large descending channel pattern here. Just accumulation going on right now. Once we break over 30, it's going to the moon. Potentially, because we see AOS. Let me go over to the AOS chart. But yeah, I'm trying to get my phone to load so I can... AOS broke out, it looks like. Yeah. We're expecting the same thing. Excuse me. Still have that lingering cough. Sucks. But yeah, we're looking for a similar move. Blew out the pattern. It's over our first resistance level here. So as long as you're over 6.1, good step in the right direction. And next stop up is breaking the previous high at 106 and then 119. But yeah, breakout is confirmed on AOS. PNG's up next. Yeah, I just looked. I got it. I appreciate that, OG. OG for the win. Now I'm in the market. I got some PNG. Let's go. And everyone pile in and send me some PNG. Now we'll win. Just kidding. GST is still pumping. We're not, no one's late yet. It's only 27 minutes in. We only got 20 people in here. Getting on early because I got a lot of things I got to get done today. But I'll try to be, I'll probably stream tonight again, of course. But I need to get some videos done later also. But yeah, I appreciate the PNG. The proud owner of some PNG. Matthew said, well, we just did well. You just asked for something else and we just did it, didn't we? Arrow and Well, yeah, we just did those a couple of times each. Well's going to $23. Or not Well. Arrow. Arrow's going to $23. It looks good. It broke out of the pattern, and it looks like everything else in the market. Well, we keep looking at. 10th time we're looking at Well. Well's gearing up to go. It's doing nothing but sitting up in our pattern. As long as you're over 6.4, it's good to go here. It's at 7.5, doing nothing. It's going to break out soon. When I say soon, it could be another week. Could be this weekend. Could be today, but it doesn't look like it. But Swell, he said. Swell, the one with the crappy chart. Swell. Oh damn, Swell's dying, huh? Yeah, Swell has this really crappy chart here. And I think the last time I looked at it, I said exactly, the chart is nothing to look at. It's just nothing. Not the best chart ever, or not the most ideal chart, I believe is what I said. This thing got listed on Coinbase or whatever happened here. It pumped, and then it's a buy the rumor, sell the news type of a deal. I told you guys it was getting stuck here, and it's probably, that's it. And you can see what happened here. Did exactly what I told you it was going to do. But the only thing I can tell you is on Swell, as long as you're over 3.5 here, confirms the bottom. You fall below 3.5. This is a daily candle, by the way. So if you close below 3.5, you're at 3.58 at the moment, then it's going to zero. It's going back down to a new low. Because this is just the worst chart I've ever seen. But yeah, hopefully you guys made money on Swell when they pumped it. How long can it take Arrow to reach $20? I don't know. Let me go find my crystal ball. I think it's in the other room. I'll rub it and I'll get back to you. 2025, we're almost in the bull run year. The year of the bull run. It's a holy year. We're all gonna make money, hopefully. The only thing I can really say is just load your bags and wait. You wait for your number to be called next year. We're still down. Most things are still down in the bottom of the barrel. Down in the dirt, dead. They are not undead yet. They're not back in the land of the living quite yet. There are some that are, of course, like PNG, AOS. All these have been up for a long time, but everything will have its day. Not everything. Some will just die as soon as they start to wake up. Bitcoin. Yeah, it's over. What did we hit? We almost hit 90K, huh? Or did we hit it? Did we hit 90K? Damn, what was the high for Bitcoin? Someone type it in. Because I said this on the live stream last night. Bitcoin's going to hit 90K, and that's all she wrote. Going back down. Nah, right under it. Damn, that's the wrong one. Trying to pull this up. It's probably different on different. Damn near close. 89.9. It hit 89.9. Okay. Yeah. Y'all think that's it, or you think it's going up? Is XYO bearish or bullish? I don't know why that's funny. Oh, we got 30 people in here. Everyone hit the like button. Everyone hit the like button. Is XYO bearish or bullish? We went over XYO last night. Do not remember. XYO. It's not doing anything. It's still holding inside of our green support box. That is the low to the high 618. I would say from this point on, it's going to be bullish because low to the high hit the final 786 support with the wick, and it made a higher high, higher low. Now it's holding up above the 618 at, what is that, at 5.5. Once you get back over 6.2, you're at 5.7. That's going to confirm the macro bottom is in, and then it'll do like the rest of the market. It'll have another spike up. Bullish over 1 penny. But I would say at this point it's bullish. There's no reason it should come back down unless we have one more crash down on the market. So if you believe what Ben Cohen says and some other people, we may have one last final pull back. But we do have this support level established here now. So if it does, if things do end up crashing back down, just an example, XYO here to 4.8, even down to the 786 here at 4.1. If that happens, you guys need to be prepared because that's the final drop before we go up. And I think that may happen in December if it's going to happen. But to answer your question, it doesn't look bad here. You can see the 382 is right at that 236. So not only are you confirming the macro bottom in, but you are bullish short-term price action here over 6.2 here to push up. But yeah, XYO looks good here. Another good one, still down in the dirt waiting to get its number called. What's up, Philip? He says good morning from Fort Worth. Another Texan in the house. Which one would you buy at this moment? Which one are you talking about? Yeah, we just went over PNG, Nick. I'm back in the market. OG gifted me a little bit of PNG. I'm gonna hold on to that. Little tiny bag of PNG to the moon. Appreciate that though. Origin Trail's gonna melt faces, yeah. Yeah, track is gonna be a good one this cycle. Matthew says SEI. Yeah, we got 40 people in here. I didn't even notice that. But we've already gone over a lot of things a couple of times. All right, 30 people on YouTube. Everyone hit the like button. Oh yeah, someone said DGen. I forgot to look at it. DGen. Oh damn, DGen is moving. Nice. So if you didn't get fudded out, which I told you guys not to, and you're still holding your DGen, congratulations. That's exactly what I told you guys was going to happen. It's going to break out of this pattern. It looks very good. People were screaming migration comments everywhere. It's going down. I told you guys it's going to spike out of this and come right up to the 618, and that's what it's doing right now. This is a wick. It has 1 day left. This is the 3-day candle. So let's see here, even the daily candle. So if we get this daily candle to close over the 618, 7.5 hours left, over 1.7, then that's a good step in the right direction. That's going to confirm the breakout here. But DGen looks very good, but just keep in mind, we've been seeing this a lot lately to where they come up to these 618s on the macro and they get stuck. So this could easily sell off from here and get stuck, and then we're going to have a pullback down. I would not rule that out at all. But yeah, if you bought in on DGen, or if you were holding in this pattern, or if you've been holding from down here, do what's best for you at the moment. But a very nice move on DGen. Other than that, the only other thing I can say on DGen is go low to the high on this one, and maybe a little tinier. You can see it matches up perfectly with the 0.5. So even if you pull back, you're still bullish. And then we pull it up to here to get you a tiny price to watch. So if it does pull back down below the 618, which would not be good to begin with, but 15.6 would be your price to watch. If it goes lower than 15.6, then the move is done and it's getting stuck. But yeah, DGen's going to be a decent play this cycle. Just pile into DGen, Brett, Pepe, Sui, Litecoin, and Render. Where are we at? Steven says Austin, Texas here. ICP. Chainlink, the sleeping giant. When you look at the trade transaction on it, something like 100K plus over. Okay. Moonwell's going to make a move on Friday. GST is up 50%. Yeah, sucks. All these coins are leaving without me. Faith and Family Outdoors, how's it going? Florida, is that what you're trying to say? FL here. Yeah, there's a lot of Texas people in here. Samo. Yeah, we'll go look at the gamble plays in a moment. DGen is going past 25 cents, he says. We have 26.5 here for a 4 billion market cap. So maybe it goes to 50 and you become a millionaire. But yeah, some of these coins are waking up and moving. I really wanted GST, Spell, XCN to wait for me, but they're just not waiting. Well, they're still waiting, but you get the idea. Oh yeah, Spell got stuck at the trend. That's good to see. But I really hope we have another pullback. We're pumping up now so we can have a pullback. That could be what is happening now. We're pumping up. We're going to get a little bit bullish, and then we'll have time to retrace back down, still holding market structure. And then we'll go up next spring. That's the ideal scenario. So we'll stay bullish for the rest of the month, maybe December, and then somewhere in December, we're going to come crashing back down one last time, wick down a little bit, and then in the spring, and we'll still hold the market structure here. Just an idea. But yeah, Spell here, GST. Yeah, GST woke up from the grave. She's running. Damn. All right, so we got over the red line here. We're not over the 236 yet. What is spell? Not spell. GST. What was that green line there? I don't know what that line is. Oh, maybe it's the 236. Oh yeah, 236 here. So if you can stay over that red line at 18.9, it will confirm the bottom is in, which it probably will. And then bullish, the next stop up, if it stays over 18.9, is 2.8 to be bullish. But yeah, nice move here. Oh, we got Charlie. How's it going? Too? Could you please break down base to Pepe and base, please? Or at base. On base is what you mean, huh? You talking about the Pepe coin, the blue Pepe on base? Isaiah says turbo at Fort Colorado here. Yeah, we got people from all over, but there's always a lot of Texans in here. Damn, we're at 48 people. Nice to see 48 people. And I'm still poor. Based Pepe. Alright, yeah, okay, we'll go look at it. Pepe, based Pepe. I like the Pepe and the Doge on base. There's so many good plays over there. I need a couple $100 of Solana to start gambling again. Let me stop. Let's share. Damn, what did I do? Trying to get deck screener on the screen. I'm on deck screener. You're holding up the stream. Oh, I don't even have the window open. Hold on. Give me a moment. That's why I couldn't find it. Deck screener. Come on. All right. You guys can see deck screener now, huh? Oh, Pepe on base. Oh, there's a Pepe on Sui. Is it this one? I thought he was blue. Is this the one? This is the one we looked at last time, apparently. Looks bullish here. Looks very good. It's up from the last time we looked at it. Blue one. Is this the right one with the blue hat, or am I mistaken? But I appreciate the two. But yeah, I will look at it. I just want to be confirmed so we don't have to look at the wrong one. All right, yeah. Charlie for the win. He answered quickly. I'll give you a sticker for your efforts. Yeah, this one looks extremely good. From the last time we looked at it, it blew through the 1272. It's above the 1618 now. She's moving. Overall, higher highs and higher lows. Curled up chart here. This is the kind of chart you want to see. These are daily candles, by the way. If we zoom out a little bit, yeah, this is a very bullish looking chart. This thing could just run at any moment, which it's already starting to do. So the next stop up on this thing, as long as you're over 7062, you're at 8.5. The next target is the 2618 at 2.5. So it's about to do a 3x. But yeah, it looks good. It's going to do a flip. So we're going to leave this here. When we look at it again tomorrow, there's going to be a giant green candle in here. We said that on something last night. I wonder if it went up. Someone said something. We got Carlitos for 5. I appreciate that. He says Cetus Protocol and Dogecoin. Is that Dogecoin? Cetus Protocol and Dogecoin. Appreciate the 5. Yeah, I'm going to have to go back over now so we can smooth this out a little bit. All right, that's a little faster. Appreciate the 5. Let's go look at Cetus Protocol. Oh, damn. Cetus Protocol. When's the last time we looked at Cetus? Apparently we drew the bullish pattern here. So for those asking about well and whatever else, we keep calling out these patterns here. Degen, whatever it is, this one took off as well. Came all the way up to the high, got stuck. I don't know if we drew that after the fact or what, but you can clearly see. But it got stuck at the previous high and it's pulling back. Cetus here, we do not have market cap on for some reason, but we will pull that up. But yeah, that's the reason it got stuck, because it hit that previous high here. So we'll simply draw low to the high. You can see the 786 is pretty much the 236 here, but if we go from the low inside the pattern, you're down below the 236. So for this thing to remain alive and bullish here, which it's probably not anymore, your last effort is 29 here, 296. But the fact that you're below 3.6, if you for some reason get bought back up over 3.6, so if you can get over 3.6, this thing's still extremely bullish. But if you fall down to 2.9, then it's over. She's coming back down to the 786 at 2.5. So any lower than that price, then you will end up dropping a total of 20%. But yeah, nice little decent run out of the pattern. I'm gonna have to go. Let's see here. Cetus, just so we have the chart. Cetus Protocol. This thing's sitting at 194 million market cap. All right, 60% of the coins in circulation. That's not too bad. Anytime you got over 50, 60, 70% of the coins, that's a plus. New high on this one takes you up to 117 for a 3.5x. If it's going to hit a new high, just give me one moment. Trying to not let the computer lag out and die again. What did I say, 117? $700 million market cap. So yeah, it's definitely going to hit the new high potentially. Sitting almost at a 200 million, and this is a 700 million. But yeah, not looking too bad for Cetus. 4.5x guaranteed to a 700 million market cap in a bull run. What was the other one you said? Dogecoin? Dodge, he says. Dodge Dogecoin. Dodge to the moon. Dogecoin. Where's our Doge chart? Yeah, Doge is not looking too bad. We pretty much went over it. Just zoom out and look at the monthly chart, but we said as long as it keeps moving, if you can stay over the 618 at 2.6, this thing's extremely bullish. Breakout high to the low. We can even look at it on the weekly to 3-day, but you get the idea. Zoomed out here. And got stuck right at the 786 here. We said the next big move up, if you stay over this, would be 4-1. A little bit above it, but ultimately you get the idea. Very good looking chart though. It repeated what it needed to do here, made a new high. Very bullish looking chart on Dogecoin. And if we look back in the past, hopefully we're looking at the right Dogecoin and not the Dogecoin. But you can see same exact thing happened back here, and then it went to the moon. Does not have to repeat, but it looks very good. You see what I mean? Two giant candles already in. So maybe we're in here. So maybe, I don't know, maybe in December it goes all the way up. Do not know, but it does not look bad. And like I said, it does not have to repeat history, but you did get stuck at the 786. So if you can get over 41, 42, then she's going to the moon. But yeah, Doge flipped extremely bullish here. And the only other thing we can really do on Dogecoin, low to the high, if you stay over 30, you're technically still bullish to continue pushing. But like I said, it doesn't have to repeat history. It could easily do something like this. Maybe this is where we are, where it's initially pumping, and then you can see it consolidated for a month. So maybe that's where we are. We're over that level. Maybe we hold here, even though we're down below it, but maybe over the 618. Maybe that's where we are exactly, where Doge is going to do this for a month. And then end of December, it's going to finally start running again. Damn, I can't draw. You get the idea, though. So just really all you can do is watch the prices there. But yeah, hopefully that helped. We got Charlie for 2 again. Says, could you look at Barrio, based Barrio, please? Barrio. Based Barrio. Yeah, let me get this switched over. I'm trying to make sure I don't forget to share the screen this time. What's the market cap on it? Barrio to the moon, another based coin. Oh, it's based Mario? Barrio to the moon. Not a bad looking chart. We have a winner here. As soon as it breaks this high here, she's going. But I would imagine this is it. 680K. Uh, 500K. Is this it? It's the only one I saw. It's at 680K now. It's pumping. But as we wait for an answer, as you guys can see, the 3-day chart here, low, a higher low, time to go to the moon. Once this high right here is broken, it's going to confirm and it's going to go. Yet another not bad looking base coin. We put it on log. Same idea, the same thing. But let me draw on the chart here. Another good looking play that's curled up. Let's see how high this one can potentially go when it goes to a new high. High to the low. Right now it is right at the 0.5. You're above the 382 at 5.3, so you are technically bullish. Once you break over 6.7 and then 8.5, to the moon she will go. May go to the moon after the 0.5 because you can see this is where it got stuck every time here. So your moon line may be 6.7, which you're like right above right now. It may be getting ready to go. It's either going to get stuck here or it's going to go, but it has to break this previous high here. But with all that being said, really quick, without spending too much time on it, new high on this one, 4.5x up to 0028. So hopefully that helped. Appreciate the 2 once again. Dang, ACH is going back to hell. Is ACH really dropping? How's it going, Dougie? He says, hope you're well. Could you take a look at AGI Delesium on, please, on ETH? Is that a gamble coin? I don't know what you mean, AGI on ETH. Hold on. Damn it. Yeah, I don't know what AGI Delesium is. Artificial General Intelligence. Artificial gambling intelligence. They come up with everything, huh? Magic Internet Money. I remember that one. MIM on Sol. Is that the original one? Yeah, it is. I forgot about Magic Internet Money. But yeah, someone said SAML earlier. Samo. Oh, why it's not typing in. Samo. Yeah, the overall is just there's a lot of good coins. I don't know if Samo ran already. Oh yeah, Samo broke out. Once Solana really runs, that's when you'll get these large moves, I think. With all of them. Used car and all of them probably. They'll go straight up once Solana's really running. But yeah, Samo is not bad. The one that was mentioned earlier in the stream is Skid. We looked at this one last night. Skid is a very good play. Success Kid to the moon. This one still hasn't broke the downtrend or broke out yet. Still time to pile in while you can. It's going to do like the rest. It's going to break the downtrend and then it's going to grind up a little bit. Then it'll cool off. Come up here, do something like this. It'll cool off a little bit and then it'll go back up and then it'll go to the moon at some point in the future. But yeah, I love, or not love, I like this Skid chart. Even though Sol Ordi disappointed me, I don't even know if it's still going down. I still like the charts here for all of them. But Sol Ordi made a new low, so I don't know about Sol Ordi now. But this one here, Success Kid, gamble play, throw $100 or one Solana at it, 33x. 33x gamble play. Hour in, we got 30 people in here, 38 people. Everyone hit the like button, please. AGI is an AI coin. Oh, it's not on the It's not on the deck screener then, probably. Eric says, do you ever look at the RSI indicator? Yeah, we look at it, but in my opinion, it does nothing. People use it, but I always have the stock RSI on the chart. Stock RSI to the moon. Yeah, Dogecoin got stuck. It's over. Time to go sideways for the next month. But yeah, stock RSI is always on the chart down here. And it's nothing more, just like the regular RSI, it's a momentum indicator. Which, when it gets over 50, it just confirms the momentum is up. Which it got over 50 right here. Right here, pretty much, but then you came right back down. You would say, oh, the momentum's up. We're going up on Dogecoin. You buy in, then it drops. What is that? Probably not a huge drop, but it did eventually go all the way up, but you get the idea. Yeah, you dropped 23%, you got scared, you sold, and then it went to the moon. But what else are we looking at? How's everyone doing? I appreciate the couple of super chats that came in. But yeah, like I said, I got a lot of stuff I got to do today. Just figured I'd get on an early stream, catch the early birds. Not bad, 35 people. One of these days we'll break 50 and hold. I guess since we're over here, someone said AGI. Yeah, we don't have a chart for AGI. Sorry, next one up. I think you said AGI Delesium. Did you guys answer the poll? Let me go look at the poll. I never remember to look at the poll. And then I don't know how to go back to it. But what is everyone in the chat? What do you think is going to be the big narrative this year, this 2025 cycle? AI, meme coins. Yeah, I'm trying to go over to YouTube to look at the official live stream. Damn, we're officially 50 people away. So like and share, hit the little heart buttons on the side. You guys know how to hit the heart buttons and all that on your phone or whatever it is. Spam the hearts. We're 50 people away from 9,000 subscribers. Let's try to get that today. Subscribers have been going up. Damn, remember we just hit 8,000. Now we're almost at 9. I'm trying to find the live stream still. That's why I'm just talking. All right, we got 23 likes. Thanks for nothing. We've had over 40 people in here and there's only 20 likes. Damn, it's half and half. Are you satisfied? We had 48 votes and only 20 likes. Oh my God. I guess you really do got to say smash the like button or no one does it. Got to be an influencer. Smash the like button, everyone. Be like the influencers say, we're giving free alpha away. Smash the like button. I hate that saying. I hate the alpha saying. But it's tied 58-42% say they're satisfied and not satisfied with their portfolio. But yeah, you got to spam the hearts like this. Gonna get in trouble for doing that probably. What are we looking at? Oh yeah, we went to go look at AGI. Delysium. Not a bad looking chart. This looks like the... What is this? It looks like the SUI chart. AGI to the moon. Maybe... Is this a new one? Maybe these new AI plays are going to be the play. High to the low, broke the previous high for a moment, and then it was told to go back home. It pumped up, it broke the downtrend, it's stuck right at the 786 here, so it needs to get over 21, and it'll continue running, but it doesn't look too bad here. It's curled up. It's probably getting stuck at the 382, high to the low, yeah, right at the 382. So 19 up to 21 is the price to beat. Breaks over that, you break over the 786, you're short-term bullish over the 382. And I deleted the wrong one, but it doesn't look too bad. The overall chart looks good here. So let's pull up for AGI. I may have to look into this one. I'm glad you brought it up. New high at 123 is a 6.5x on this one. What is this? AGI for the win, huh? AGI. He says you should make it a requirement. Delysium. Oh, I forgot about AGIX, didn't they? Yeah, I'm going to start making it mandatory. $2 per coin, and then when I'm done looking at your coin, I'm going to ban you. Thank you for the $2, but you're getting banned or put in timeout. You're going to get put in timeout if you do not hit the like button right now and share this video with one person. Or you're banned or timed out. I can't wait to time out someone. I know that's bad, but I want to time out someone, and then we need to get someone in here trolling or talking mess to people, not being respectful, and we can ban them. We'll put up a vote and say, do we ban this dude? He's spamming coins. He's not paying for them, and he's spamming them. Do we put him in timeout? Make him go stand in the corner? Damn, I remember that. You guys remember that when you were a kid? In school or at home, you got in trouble, you had to go stand in the corner. What a punishment. Go stand in the corner, boy. All right, so Delysium AGI is a 242 million market cap. 42% of the coins in circulation. Fully valuation 587. So what was that new high for a 6.5x? 123. Just gonna get on here. If I don't like your profile name or if I can't pronounce it, I'm gonna time you out. Go change your name. Come back when you show respect. $123 for AGI. Trying to speed this along, but my computer's still acting slow. All right, so 1.5 billion market cap. From where it is now, I would say it's possible. I don't know what the project is. Wrong damn thing. I'll just put it over here. All right, we'll leave it at that. I'll spend more time on coins if they're you know what I mean. Brohim, how's it going? Brohim the Dream, Elijah Wan says he's in Austin. Not bad. OG says Tate. What is Tate? Costa Ricardo, how's it going? He says no, he's not concerned. End of the day, no matter what's selling, if Bitcoin retains 80K level, yeah, it probably will. 75 to 80K, and then cool off for a little bit, and then it'll go back up. We're right there, though. He says, "What's up, Shadow?" He says, "Wow, wow." Bro says PNG is a sleeping giant. Yeah, I finally got some PNG. OG Jerry sent me some PNG. Tate, you talking about the Andrew Tate coin? What is that on? ETH, Solana, Tate to the moon. But yeah, I'm gonna take Patrick's advice. We're gonna require that you hit the like button or get the hell out of here. We don't have time for nonsense on the channel. We're all too old. We don't have time for this. We're trying to make money here. Oh, we got 41 people in here. Let's go. Skid to the moon. But yeah, I'm going to look more into this AGI coin offline later on today after I get my stuff handled. But damn, how do I watch it? Did you guys say not a prayer, but what do you call it? Put out some good vibes for my kids. My two oldest, senior and freshman, are in San Antonio today at the state finals for band. They're really good this year. They make it to state every year, but they never win. This is my daughter's senior year, so I really hope she wins. 4 years she's been into it. 4 or 5 years she's been doing it now, so I really hope she gets this win. They're really good this time. But what was I looking at? But yeah, everyone's gone. It's just me and my youngest here for the next, well, since Sunday night. Pretty much the whole town has gone to San Antonio to go watch the band. Arkham. What was I going to look at? Goldfinch. Goldfinch. GFI, I guess since we're on this. Someone said GFI is going to 0. Didn't GFI bounce? Did it ever break out? I don't remember. I think, didn't it break out? I must be thinking of something else. Maybe I'm thinking of Fox. Oh no, it got stuck once again. But this is pretty much what we said. It repeated history, pulled away from the trend, it dumped, bounced back up, got stuck, and it just kind of stayed here. Did the same thing here again. Yes, I know you're calling me. I'm not answering. But got stuck once again right at the trend line. It's crazy how that works, ain't it? How the trend lines come into play so good along with support and resistance. That's all you need. You don't need the RSI and MACDs and clouds and everything else under the sun. But it's right here at our box. It got over it, so it's under it now, but it just needs to break the downtrend, and keeping it easy and simple here. It did get a nice bounce off of that 382 to the bottom there. I don't think it's going to come back down there. If it does, it may have a problem. But right now, it's over the 236 high to the low at 159. So as long as you're over that, that confirms this is the bottom. It just needs to bounce and break the downtrend here. It needs to get over 206. Once you get over 206 on GFI, then it'll finally break this downtrend, and we can finally focus on it not going to 0 and moving up at that point. But other than that, it's not doing anything. If you're holding it for 2025, then I wouldn't even worry about it. Oh, you're saying I sound like Andrew Tate? I don't even know what he sounds like. I don't think I've ever watched him or anything. I just know the name. Why does he ban people? Andrew Tate. Appreciate the words, my man. Watches in the house. You buy any watches? Let's shill our watches to watches. Man, I'm kind of bummed out. My kids broke the damn VR. They always play scary games and I don't even know what else, but told them over and over again, quit throwing the damn remotes against the wall or not knowing where you are in the house, and they're always punching walls or punching cabinets. And I kept telling them for months, you're going to break it, you're going to break it, you're going to break it, and now it's broken. But yeah. What else did you guys want to look at? Any last super chats coming in for anything? Because I'm going to have to go soon because we have things I got to get done today. What about Arkham? What is Arkham? That's a regular coin, isn't it? What's the best 5 altcoins to buy for this cycle? We'll let the chat answer that. Everyone pile in. What's the best 5 altcoins? As I go find Arkham. Our top 5 picks for this upcoming super cycle. You think it's a super cycle, bro? Come on, bro. Super cycle. Super cycle to the moon. But yeah, let me go look at Arkham. But you guys answer and see, and don't forget I'll be on later tonight. Probably after people get off of work or 5 or 6 o'clock later on. But yeah, what was I looking at? Arkham Asylum. What is it? Ark? I don't know what I'm looking for. Arkham. Thought I had a chart for this, so I'm spelling it wrong. That's what. Arkham. I don't know if we've looked at it in a long time. Arkham Intelligence, another AI coin. Damn. You guys can probably still hear me, but I think we're down again. Come on now, we're almost done with the stream. Come on. Arkham Intelligence. Oh, we must have looked at it recently. I don't remember at all, but if you can see it on the screen here, weekly chart, it's curled up. Low to the high, it's over the 236. As long as you're over 190 or 215, you are still bullish. We'll pull that off. You're over the 618 holding support. After you broke above it with a close, you're at 212. As long as you're above 212, then you officially have broken the trend here and you can start moving up. Moving up being the next stop, 786 is a 30% move. Once you get over 281, this thing is going to end up getting all the way up to the 1272 new high at 3x up to 630 for a 3 billion market cap. Damn, why do we have so far away? So a 3 billion market cap, and then a moonshot, I guess, is the 16.5 billion market cap up to 33. And that would be 15.5x. Arkham for the win. Let's see here. But yeah, we did the AGI one. Arkham. Yeah, no one answered the question, so I guess it's AI. 600 million market cap. Only 30% of the coins in circulation. Not good. Arkham. 600 million market cap. So this is a fair price here. I don't know the market caps for this. We'll get into that at a later time. We got Charlie again for 2. Could we break down bonk on base, please? Yeah, we'll look at bonk and then that may be it, because I got to get things rolling along. It's already 11 o'clock here. Jeez. Nothing on math, bro. Yeah, we did math earlier. P&G, math. Cetus. Bonk on base. Damn. Yeah, we'll go over to bonk on base. A couple of people asked for SEI, I believe. All you who asked for SEI, go hit the like button. I'm going to put you in timeout. Yeah, SEI. Yeah, we went over this yesterday. SEI potentially broke out of the pattern here. It didn't quite have a strong move, but you can see that candle broke above it. It's sitting right on the trend line here. So once you get over 4.8 on SEI, it should start spiking up here. Little dud of a breakout, I would say, at the moment, but it is above the 382, and you're right below the 0.5. So once you get over 4.8, it should start going. As long as you stay above 3.9, you're bullish. And then SEI to the moon. SEI, don't know where SEI is going to end up, to be honest. New high on SEI. First target up would be a 300% move. So 4x up to 184. And we'll leave it at that. Velodrome. Yeah, we did render. What's up, Nash and John? Welcome back. You guys are coming in here late. Just remember, I'll be back on later. Velodrome is very bullish. Yeah, I'm going to go over and look at bonk on base. Just a quick glance at Velo. Velo's still holding up. Came back and bounced on our trend line here. Very good spot. Once you break over the 618 at 11, she's going to start moving. But yeah, Velo's a very good one. Very good spot here. Velo's going to hit a 41x up to $4 into a 3.4 billion market cap moonshot. More realistic target would be a 10x to an 833 million market cap up to around $1. Good spot on Velo to take profit. And then oh yeah, we're looking at Skid here. Skid is another good Solana play potentially. Bonk on base. Okay, yeah. But I like the bonk and the Pepe on base and the Foster. The blue Foster, the blow Foster, whatever you call it. Just let me check. Because I sold my Soul Orty the other day because it was going to 0 and it went down even further. Made a new low. Did it recover? Damn, it's still going down. Soul Orty to 0. Shaking my head. Jesus. Bonk on base. Bonk on base to the moon. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this one broke the downtrend and it looks like it's potentially back testing. Very good spot for bonk. Pretty much. It still could come down. It's down below the 236, so just as long as you're below 2.9, price to beat is 11 to be bullish. But yeah, this is a very good looking chart that we looked at the other day. Appreciate the 2, by the way. And then if we simply go low to the high and zoom this baby in, it came down, looks like, to the 618 and held. So that's exactly what you want to see. So that could have been it. Low, high, wicked all the way down to the 618. It's back over the 0.5. So once you get back over 556 here, back to being bullish. But simply broke out and it's pulling back. But I would imagine you're going to just hold this to the moon. Holding to the moon on bonk on base. It's going to be a very decent play. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what you'd like to see. Oh yeah. 83, 84x. Not bad. 80. Yeah, about an 84x almost. Oh yeah, that's what we like to see there. Aaron says, what's up? Or hey dude, how's it going? Great breakout on AOS. Yeah, we saw that. AOS broke out. All right, so we're gonna have to leave it at that for now. I appreciate the couple of super chats that came in. I appreciate you guys coming in here. Hour and a half, not bad. Remember to hit the like button on the way out, or you will get timed out next time you're here. You're gonna get put in the corner. But I appreciate all you guys coming in here. It's always awesome when you guys come in here and support and ask for things. We always learn something new. We always have a new chart popping up or something happens. But yeah, just look for me later on. We will be back on later. We'll look at a whole ton more coins later on this evening, about 5 or 6 o'clock, I would say. And then with that being said, I'll leave it on for about 5 minutes with the music, just so you guys can do whatever you need to do, because you are lagging for some reason on my end, probably. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. And none of this is financial advice. Peace out.